let's construct and understand frequency tables for a set of data. Now, a frequency table is a way for us to arrange data from least to greatest with corresponding frequencies. And frequency is simply the number of times the value occurs in the data set. So this is going to require you to do some counting, okay? So let's jump in. We have 15 members of a running club, and they recorded their daily miles for Friday below. Construct a frequency table for this data. So our numbers are 3, 5, 7, 3, 4, 7, 3, 5, 7, 5, 3, 4, 4, 7, 5. Now, you'll notice that is 15 numbers. I want to point that out because when we put these into a frequency table, you always want to make sure that you've accounted for all of them. It's very easy to just miss a number, and if you miss one, it throws everything off. So, okay, so we have miles, right? We're talking about Friday miles, and we have frequency. So I have two columns, miles and frequency. Now, what is the shortest number of miles? Well, that's 3. Okay, so I have 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, because 7 is the highest. And we have continuous data, right? Miles, like these are like concrete numbers, but you could run 3.5 miles or 3.125 miles. So we put them in order. All right, and now we count. How many 3s do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I like to cross them off as I go. Then I make sure I cross everything off. How many 4s do I have? 1, 2, 3. How many 5s do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many 6s do I have? I don't have any 6s, so I put a 0. And then how many 7s? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, add up your frequencies. 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4. That's 15. It's exactly what I want. That means I have correctly constructed my frequency table. So we can see there are 3 different mileages, 3, 5, and 7, that all have 4 people who did that. And for some reason, nobody ran just 6 miles. They either ran less than that or more than that, which is very strange. I mean, kind of. All right, let's do another one. Construct a frequency table for the age of kids at a daycare. So the ages are 1, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1. 17 ages. All right, so we create our table. We've got ages in the left column, and we've got frequency in the right. So what's the smallest number or the lowest age? 1, and we go up to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That takes up my left column. Those are the ages of my kids. So how many 1-year-olds do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, I just crossed off each one, so I make sure I don't forget any of them. Okay, let's go to 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 2-year-olds. How many 3-year-olds do we have? 1, 2, 3. And how many 4-year-olds? Just the 1. Okay, so we add them up. 8 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1. 17. Yep, that's what I started with. So I know I have correctly constructed my frequency table. So if they say like, well, what age do you have the most of? The frequency table allows us to very clearly see 1-year-olds. By far and away, I have the most 1-year-olds because I have 8 of those. And I only have 1 4-year-old. So that's my least number of kids at that age. So you can use these to kind of show some data or talk about some data.